So get ready with me while I talk about how I became an influencer. I am going to be speaking at a creators event with LTK, which is kind of how I got started influencing. It's 2011 and Instagram launches the year that I get married. I am 25 at the time and Instagram is brand new. I moved to a really small town in West Texas after we got married. And to be honest, I had nothing to do. I was teaching kindergarten and nobody was seeing my cute outfits every day. I do what any 25-year-old would do. I started a blog on blogger.com. I was sharing my everyday outfits that I was wearing teaching kindergarten, but I was just linking them to the website. And then someone told me about LTK, which was then Reward Style. I was able to link my outfits and products that I liked and make a small commission. Fast forward a couple of years, I actually got pregnant with my first daughter. I wanted to stay home with her instead of teach kindergarten. So I actually decided to take it seriously and ended up going full-time shortly after. Now, several years later, I get to be a stay-at-home mom first, and next I get to share my favorite things with my community. With all that to say, if you are waiting to start something, whether it's influencing or an online business or a small shop, do it. There's no better time than now. I never in a million years would dream that I get to do this full time and stay home with my kids and have the opportunities that we do and still enjoy my job. So I'm excited to go talk to creators today and just share my why. I love sharing stuff that I find with my girls, but I also just kind of share the things that I'm using and loving for my day to day. I am forever grateful to LTK for creating such an amazing platform that I'm able to do my job and get paid, but also connect and meet so many amazing women. So let's go pick an outfit for Creator Day. I'm thinking of going with this pink little short power suit with either this textured shirt under it or this little corset. The gold detail on these, so cute. Let's see if we like it all together and find some shoes. I have these gold ones or these like clear ones. Which ones do we like? I'm kind of liking the gold. All right, here is how the outfit turned out. See you guys there.